Hi guys, most of them get answer 96 in wrong way. Here 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here 6 times 3 minus, here 8 minus 6 is 2 times this 6. This is 18 minus 2 times 6. Now 18 minus 2 is 16 times 6, which is 96. This is wrong answer. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here this is bracket, multiplication, division, addition. Here it is subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is always first. So 6 times, this is 6 divided by 2 is 3, minus this bracket, this is 8 minus 6 is 2 times this 6. Now we have multiplication here, subtraction and multiplication. Multiplications are always higher priority than this subtraction. We have to do this multiplication first. Now we have two multiplication. Which is first, this or this? For this we have to follow left to right rule. Left to right is this one. So 6 times 18 minus, now we have to do this. This is 12. Now 18 minus 12 is 6. This is the correct answer.